Hey y'all, and welcome back to my kitchen. This is Patty, and I am about to do a chuck roast. This roast is almost 4 pounds. I gotta wash it and clean it up real well. These are the seasonings that I'm going to put on it. I have celery, bell pepper, red bell pepper, the green, a few carrots because I didn't have many, and some parsley and green onion, yellow onion. Okay, this is the beef broth. I'm using the broth base here, right there, and I've mixed it with the beef broth, and here it is. And I'm going to do 4 cups of this, and I mean 4 of these, and that will amount to 6 cups. So put 6 cups of liquid in my bag, and this is the bag that I'm going to put my meat in. It's one of those oven bags, and I've put 4 tablespoons of flour in here. So when I put my meat in, and I'll put all my seasonings in, and I'll pour 6 cups of this in. But I am going to season my meat once I wash it and clean it real well. And I'm going to be using the garlic and onion powder. They go together. The Calvinders, I'm sorry. All-purpose seasoning, seasonal, Morton seasonal, and white pepper. And of course, I've told you about the broths and everything. So I have my oven set at 350 degrees, and I'm going to start off by fixing this in the oven for about 4 hours. This is my roaster that I'll be using, my Magnolite roaster that is so popular right here. This is the one I will use, and keep it right there, Tyler. And I will put some slits in my bag in the top to let some of the steam escape. And this is my top for my Magnolite, and I'll be putting this in the oven in the Magnolite pot, Magnolite roaster. And then once I've done all of this and gotten it all ready, I'll bring it back and show you what it's looking like before I put it in the oven. I'll come right back. Here is the roast. I've washed it and I've seasoned it generously. And I'm going to put it in this bag here. It has all of the good seasonings on it. And here is 1 cup of the broth base going in. And I'm going to get another one. I'm using beef broth. I'll come back over there and do this. Mix it with water. There's another cup in here. And I'm going to go in with my seasonings, and here they are. Don't have too many carrots, but I'm using what I had. Got a lot of good seasonings in here. Okay. Okay, look at that. Look at all of this seasonings in there. And I'm going in with 2 more cups, which will be 3 cups. As I told you, I'll end up with 6 cups of water or liquid. Okay. And okay, see what I have here? Look down in there. Okay, so I'm going to twist the bag real well. And this is the little brown tie that I'm going to put in this. Lord, I can't hardly see, but I got it. Okay, here it is. And I'm on the top, I'm gonna cut about 4 holes on the top, little slits on the top, so the steam can escape. That's 1, 2. There's one right here. 3. And one over here. 4. Okay, now it's all set to go in the oven. And let's see, I'm not going to put the top on it right now. I'm just going to get it started in this oven. It's going in, and it's going in for about 4 hours. I think I'll set my timer on I'll set my temp on 375 and let it get started, and then I'll turn it down to 350. Okay, and I'll come back. Okay, y'all, come on back in my kitchen. This roast is done after about 4.5 hours. And I didn't tell you about the potatoes at first, but here are the potatoes that I put in. And this is the roast. And I have some thickening in here. That flour that I put in there is not, you know, as watery. It's really looking good. I wish you all could smell it. And it is fork tender. Look at here. Look at this. Get down in here, Tyler. Look at this. Look how tender it is. Just fork tender. Don't even need a knife. You can just pick it up with the fork. Okay, y'all. I'm going to get a little rice on this plate. Just a little bit, because Tyler's going to get some here and put a little gravy on it. And look at all these good seasonings here on top. But I just wanted you to see just how tender it is. I've already sampled it, and it is so, so good. Look at this. I mean, you can just pick it up with the fork. Let me see. I think there's some fat right there. But let me, okay, here it is. Look at that. Okay, thank you all for joining. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Look at that. It is so delicious. And please like, share, subscribe. And don't forget to ring that bell, that notification bell, to be reminded of all uploads. This is Patty's Southern Kitchen, and I will talk to you on the next exciting video. Bye now.